Easy now. Look what I have for you. It's okay. Come and get it. Here you go. Plenty for everyone. Take your time. There's no rush. That's a good boy. Release! Let her go! Release the lion! Get off her! Let go of her! Let go of the mother lion! Quickly! A massive python is killing the lioness. We are near the acacia trees. Hurry! The tigers are loose in the main hall. I repeat, the tigers are loose. We have an emergency! A rescue is needed! Move! Hold the line, keep the tension tight.
Bring the cage down now, slowly.
Watch the head, don't let it turn.
Steady, almost there. All right, bring it down.
Watch the corner, steady.
Lock it in place. Throw the straps over now.
Easy now, steady. I'm just going to apply this dressing. Easy now, we're almost finished. You're being very brave. It's all right. It's all right.
Heart rate is steady now. She's stabilizing. Good, she seems much calmer.
3, 2, 1, lift.
Ha ha! She's got it.
That's a good girl, eat up. You deserve these meatballs.
Aren't you a handsome little fella? So strong.
There you are. We're so relieved you made it.
They're beautiful animals. Thank you for your help.
Glad I could. I can't thank you enough. Goodbye, old girl. I appreciate it.